I love working at Morgan Engineering. It's been around for 150 years.
When I first started here, I knew absolutely nothing about machining, and they have taught me everything along the way.
The people here are great. The supervisors are awesome. It's a relaxed environment, and it's a good time when you come to work. It's really not super stressful. A lot of our cranes go to mills, and the mills is the backbone of American manufacturing. So I really feel that I am contributing to American manufacturing working here.
I've been with Morgan Engineering for going on 21 years. I started out as a manual machinist, and then in 2014 I moved on to CNC. Everything that you don't know, you will learn here.
The sky's the limit in this place. I found my home here.